I am ready. Hello guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and welcome to my art channel. Today I'm gonna do a pour with leftover color. I always store my leftover colors from other pours. I have paper on my table, and when the drips are there, I tilt it up and pour it straight in a bottle. So these colors turn out very different colors than I normally use. So this is sort of a grayish blue. And I thought what would be fun is to use a neon pink in there. It's such a different color than this leftover paint. Will those colors work together? We're gonna see that today, and probably if this video is here, it should have worked kind of fine. By the way, Molly, Olga and me, we launched a big acrylic pouring course. Acrylic pouring A to Z, and we've been working on this for a year, so I'm super happy to tell you we launched it last week. We already have a lot of sign-ups, a lot of positive feedback. If you're just starting out or are already pouring, check it out. You can learn so much. I even learned so much while doing this. We bundled all our experiences, everything we learned in the last couple of years, and I'm super proud of this course. So go ahead and check it out on smartartcourses.com. And I think it's time to start painting. Okay, so I have a color left over from all my pours from the last month or two or something. And it turned in sort of a grayish blue periwinkle color. And I'm gonna use that as a full base and then pour on top very vibrant colors to see how that looks, because this color is so diluted and it's now a sort of neutral color. So let's start with the base here. It's been a long time. I've done a full base instead of a split color, right? Okay, so here we go, making the puddle, and I was thinking doing it in a sort of rainbow direction. So I'll use here a dark blue, that's a winter blue. Then I have here a phthalo blue, that's more like a turquoise. Then let's go with yellow. And a super vibrant pink. And a violet red. And on top I will pour some gold and as well some white. Let's pour the base color around it. I didn't do that very well. Okay, let's blow this over. Very curious if the colors will stay vibrant in this muted background color. And if it will look pretty, of course. Okay, let's blow this out. Okay, well this part is beautiful and still super vibrant. Then here, there must be so much color under there. You see? That's creating a beautiful lacing. The cells keep popping up there. Well, the colors do remain very vibrant. Okay, I love this part here, and then here those cells. This with the gold, this is gold, and the white is turning a little bit muddy. But overall it's super nice because I thought all those colors will turn more to neutral colors. But they didn't. Let's torch here a little. I'm not so fond of this part there. When I first blew it out, it was beautiful. It created some lacing too, but now it doesn't. The more I blow, the more the colors become muddy and dull. That's not what I want. But there is a lot of gold around here, so that will shine. That's beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna get my palette knife here. Let's see if I'm not shaking like the last time. Let's go here. Well, overall I'm pretty satisfied. So a periwinkle base and neon pink in the middle. What a weird color combination, eh? Let me show you a close-up. So much is happening here. Let's see how this dries. Very curious. Yeah. But I do love the composition now, so that's great. Let's see how it will look when dry. What composition is nice. I think every way in this one. So thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in our course, then go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description. And I hope to see you there. Okay, bye bye.